Hi, I'm Allie and we're here with Sam. How are you?
I'm good. How are you guys?
I'm awesome. So, you're really active on YouTube. Who inspires you to make your videos?
In the beginning, it was SuperMac18. He's an old YouTuber. He kind of slowed down, which is sad, but hopefully he starts back up soon. But he was one who started like making me want to do YouTube videos. But now it's honestly just like whatever, like daily things I see.
That's awesome. So, what's the best and worst parts of making your videos?
The best part is how happy like the fans get, because like they're always like, oh my gosh, like I love your videos, they make me happy, they make me smile. It's like it makes me so happy seeing them happy. That's why the main thing why I do YouTube now. But the worst part is it's time consuming and stressful.
Can you tell us what it was like being on Awesomeness TV?
It was amazing. I mean, we're at like a actual like set and everything, and it was just so professionally done, and it was really fun.
So it also looks like your collab channel O2L has a very special bond as friends. What's your favorite thing about being in O2L?
How close we are. We can always rely on each other for anything. Like I always can call JC for money or something, or Ricky for advice, or just certain things. They're like brothers.
That's awesome. So today's event is all about bullying. What does the saying "we don't bully, we just dance" mean to you?
It's meaning like all we do is stay positive and like just have fun.
All right. Thank you so much.
No problem.